How to disable text chat in Rainbow Six Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are distracted by messages or just want a cleaner, more focused gameplay experience in Rainbow Six Mobile, then you can turn off the text chat setting. First of all, launch open the Rainbow Six Mobile game on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the main lobby screen, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the home screen. Once you do that, you'll end up in the settings menu. From the settings menu, scroll all the way down from the left-hand side menu and click on account and legal. Inside account and legal, scroll down to text chat option and tap on off right next to text chat. Once you turn this off, you can now head back to the home page and you have successfully disabled chat in the game. Disabling text chat in Rainbow Six Mobile helps you stay focused on gameplay, strategy, and clutch moments without interruptions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.